Hello, my name is Habib and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. This is the Audi approved used Q3 Sport. This model has the 4T TFSI engine with 190 PS, the slick tronic gearbox and Quattro 4-wheel drive system, while it's also finished in metallic Cosmos blue. Under the bonnet, you'll find the 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine, producing 190 PS, which, with assistance from the tronic gearbox and Quattro 4-wheel drive system, delivers 0 to 60 in just 7.4 seconds. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination, while we also have the sport enhanced exterior styling, delivering a sporty front end. Around the side, we have 18-inch 5 double-arm design alloy wheels, which look great, while we also have the optional heated, electrically adjustable, folding and auto-dimming side mirrors with aluminium roof rails, while around the back we have LED rear lights with dynamic indicators, as well as a power-operated tailgate, allowing easy access into the 530-litre boot, which can be extended by folding the rear seats to 1,525 litres. Moving inside, you'll find cloth upholstered rear seats with the integrated ISOFIX child seat mounting points, while in the front we have a 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and micrometallic silver inlays, as well as cloth upholstered front sport seats, which are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're also manually adjustable and include the 4-way electric lumbar support. There's also automatic headlights with light rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and mirrors, as well as a power-operated tailgate. There's also the Bang & Olufsen sound system, providing an immersive sound experience. As standard, we have the 10.25-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB digital radio, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, while if you like view, you can change the size of those dials, really adding extra customizability for the display. There's also a 10.1-inch MMI Navigation Plus display screen with functionalities including DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's also Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes, with our personal favourite being dynamic as this is most driver focused. There's also the optional ambient lighting pack, with 30 colour options to choose from, to match your mood or vibe, so you can really add your personal touch to the interior. As mentioned earlier, there's also the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which can tailor to your liking. You can amend various settings, such as a treble and bass, so you can hear media in full clarity. Not only that, but there's also the optional Parking System Plus, with front and rear sensors, reassuring you when navigating through those tight spaces. Lower down we have the display for the dual zone electronic climate control, with plenty of ability to your liking, while we also have the optional heated front seats, for the extra convenience on those cold winter mornings. While lower down you'll find the automatic gearbox, 2 cup holders, and switches for the automatic handbrake. There's also the optional panoramic glass sunroof with the electric sun blind. Not only does it uplift the interior ambience, but it also bathes the interior with sunlight. This vehicle will come with a minimum 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance, and much more. For more information, please contact us on 01772 911 331 or inquire online now.